Hi, I'm Sarah, your Play31.net hostess, and I'm inviting you all to join the game. It's super easy. The object of the game is to get 3 suited cards closest to 31 in face value. You could win thousands of dollars, play single table games, multi-table sit-and-go games, or even enter a tournament. There's nothing to download, and you can play anywhere. It's easy to make deposits, and even easier to cash in your winnings. Come join me at Play31.net and let the fun begin.